when this happens. It's up next. All right, so like we talked about, the knob itself, I guess apparently this is what usually breaks on these from what I've seen, but in this case the actual switch itself broke. So evidently this piece comes with the actual switch, which I've been trying to research what kind of switch a Speed Queen load size is or takes. You can't buy just this little plastic thing that goes in here. So near as I can tell, this somehow comes apart, exposes the switch housing, switch comes off. We can figure out what kind of switch it is and hopefully order it. Washers are always heavier. Okay, step one, unplug the unit. There, or here for sure, here for sure. See if we can pop those off. Okay, 1/4 inch. Oh, okay. Guess that piece comes off. 3 screws here. I wonder if we take those off, what's going to happen. Let's try it. Oh, might need an extension. Ooh. Okay. All kinds of stuff going on in here. Let me get you in here. That's the one that we're after right there. So it looks like, what the heck that's all about? Some kind of vacuum. Then you got this. Just unplug this. Should be able to screw that out, hopefully. Okay, how are you held in there? Nothing to it. I just wiggled on that. It came out. Here in a bit. Okay, we're back 2 days later. $70 later. We got the switch we needed, which is this switch. And in this case, I just went on the internet to this supplier, McCombs Supply Co. Inc., placed an order, and 2 days later, all the way up in Alaska, which is impressive. This is what determines your load size, apparently. But it was this plastic piece that snapped, and near as I can tell, it's all one big piece. Comes with a switch. You can't just buy this individually. So it's about $60 part. Okay, unplugged again. 4 screws later. 4 or 5 screws. We're back into it. Okay, now we gotta figure out how this mounts. And it almost looks like it just does one of these numbers. I thought this was a set, you know, some kind of screw where it's set, but I'm betting this just pops up. Maybe. Pops and twists. Twists and pop. Ooh! Okay. Did I break it? Okay, so it's got a little keeper right there that aligns with that. Okay. Out with the old and the new. Boy, this is, I think it's just gonna twist in there. Oh, okay. Is it that easy? I mean, I'm pretty sure it is. I mean, I don't know how much you would pay to have a guy come out and do this for you. Probably a couple $100. Okay. Put it back together, put the knob on. Nothing special here. This just kind of rolls back on. All right, so we got to get that into there. You got these guides here that are gonna go there. Same on this side. So it's kind of a choreographed type motion. A couple wires here you got to be careful about. And of course, if it doesn't want to go, you just keep forcing it. If something happened, that's it. We're in. Once you're in, you know it. And we got 4 screws. There might have been 5. I think I might have dropped one at some point. I don't remember. 4 ought to get the job done. Whoopsie daisies. Almost looks like I know what I'm doing here. Okay, now the final piece here. Small, mini, extra large, reset. Guess we just gotta test it now, see if it works. We'll plug it back in, fire it up. But hey, that's how you switch out a Speed Queen load size switch. This is a, I don't know, this thing's probably 5 years old. Good luck.